Namaste, this is Ramesh Naidu from Target School. Today topic time and distance for 8th class students, right? So it is very important concept. Observe carefully, listen carefully, right? Relation between time, distance and speed. Suppose if we travel from one place to another place, so there is time and the distance from my place to another place, and in between speed in traveling, we traveling such speeds, right? Time, distance, speed. So time denoted with small t and distance denoted with small d and speed denoted with s, right? So generally time says that hours in hours or minutes or seconds, and distance be kilometers or meters, and speed units kilometer per hour. So observe carefully, what is the relation between these three terms? The relation between time, distance, speed. Observe carefully. Yes. Distance d is equal to time into speed, right? Distance d is equal to time into speed, dts. You can remember dts. So in theaters they wrote on the wall posters dts, Dolby Digital Sound, right? So by remembering that we can say dts, distance is equal to time into speed, right? So if speed is increase, the distance will decrease, right? The time also decrease. If speed is decrease, means we travel very slow, then time will increase. It will take a lot of time, right? So distance is equal to time into speed, right? So d is equal to ts. That implies, what about time? Time is equal to distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed, right? And what about s? Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. So keep in your mind these formulas. Distance is equal to time into speed. So from this t, if we want to t, means t is equal to distance. Here s transfer from right to left, it will become divided by d by s, right? D by s. And s, if we want s, means d by t, right? So these three are very important relations between time, distance, speed, right? Keep in mind. So by using these formulas, we can solve time and distances problems, right? So and also we know about one more, average speed. For example, if a man covers a distance at a speed x kilometer per hour. Yes, observe carefully. If a man covers a distance at a speed x kilometer per hour, and next the same distance and he cover, means written, he covers the same distance at a speed y kilometer per hour. Then what is his average speed? Very important formula. Then what is his average speed? Then what is his average speed? Right? See, he cover a certain distance at x kilometer per hour. So speed units kilometer per hour. So very important, keep in mind. So what are the units of speed? Kilometer per hour in meter per second also, right? And he covers the same distance at a speed y kilometer per hour. Here speed is different. In first case x kilometer per hour, in second case y kilometer per hour. So finally, what is his average speed? So we know very well the formula. So what is the speed, average speed formula? AVG means average. Average speed is equal to speed formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. Means total distance. Here the whole journey. Total distance by total distance by total time. Right? So average speed is equal to total distance by total time. Here the distance is the same. Say d. Let the distance d kilometers. Then total distance how much? D plus d. There are two cases, first case and second case. Total distance d plus d, that is equal to 2d, right? And total time. So first time taken to cover the distance in x kilometer per hour, that is time. So time t is equal to, so what is time formula? So d is equal to ts, then t is equal to d by speed. Distance by speed. So in the first case speed is x, that is equal to d by x, right? In the second case time, t is equal to d by s, that is equal to d by y. In the second case y kilometer per hour. So total time how much? Total time is equal to d by x plus d by y. D by x plus d by y. That is equal to, take LCM, I take d common, d of x plus y by xy. Right? D of x plus y by xy. So now average speed, observe carefully, average speed is equal to total distance by total time. So there are two cases. A man covers a distance at a speed x kilometer per hour, that is first case, and the same person, he covers the same distance, means by returning at a speed y kilometer per hour. So in this case, in these two cases, we have to find the average speed. So average speed, the total distance by total time. So speed formula, distance by time. That is total distance and total time. So total distance how much? 2d. That is equal to 2d by total distance 2d by. So total time how much? D into x plus y by xy. Right here dd cancel. See, it is numerator, it is denominator, again it is numerator. Numerator goes to numerator. So xy goes into numerator. Already 2 is there. 2xy by x plus y. Right? This is the average speed. Yes, if there are two different speeds and distance is the same, then average speed is 2xy by x plus y. Here x is first speed and y is second speed, right? So average speed formula 2xy by x plus y. So keep in your mind, it is very very important for competitive exams, right? Next, So what are the units of speed in kilometer per hour and in meter per second? Observe carefully. So we know very well formula. Speed is equal to distance by time, right? For example, if distance is in kilometers means, then time is it must be in hours. So speed units kilometer per hour, right? Kilometer per hour. So speed is equal to distance by time. That's units are kilometer per hour. Means if you travel any vehicle travel 1 per hour, d kilometers travel. So t hours and d kilometers, right? Kilometer per hour, right? Suppose in 1 hour time we travel 1 kilometer. See, in 1 hour we travel 1 kilometer. So in 1 hour how many minutes? 60 minutes. 60 minutes. 1 kilometer how many meters? 1000 meters, right? 60 minutes in how many seconds? 60 into 60 seconds. 1000 meters. 6 6 are 36. 3600 seconds. 1000 meters, right? Per 1 second. 1 second. 3600 seconds, 1000 meters. So means in this time we travel 1000 meters. Then 1 second, how much distance travel? 1 second, 1000 by 3600, right? So meter per second. 2 zeros cancel. 2 5s are 10, 2 18s are, right? So in 1 second, so how much we travel? Speed means in what speed we travel means 5 by 18 meter per second, right? So 5 by 18 meter per second in 1 second. So at what speed we travel means 5 by 18, right? So when given, observe carefully, when given kilometer per hour, we can convert into meter per second. And when given meter per second, we can convert into kilometer per hour, right? For example, see, 36 kilometer per hour convert into meter per second means 36 into, so we convert into meter per second. So meter per second like మారుస్తున్నాము అంటే we divide 5 by 18, right? 36 into 5 by 18 meter per second, right? So when given speed is kilometer per hour, then convert into meter per second means we multiply 5 by 18, right? That is equal to 18 ones are 18 twos are 2 5s are 10 meters per second. See, 36 kilometer per hour, 10 meter per second, right? It is in kilometer per hour and it is in meter per second. So when given meter per second, how we convert into kilometer per hour? See, 54 meter per second convert into kilometer per hour. Yes, we multiply, it's reciprocal, right? 54 into 18 by 5, right? 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. That is equal to, so multiply and divide it, 54 into 18. 972 divided by 5 kilometer per hour. That is equal to, divided into 5. So 5 ones, so 5, 4 is there, 5 nines are 45, 2 is there, 5 fours are 20, 2 is there, 0.5 fours are 20. Kilometer per hour, right? So 54 meter per second is equal to 194.4 kilometer per hour, right? See, kilometer per hour ni meter per second like మార్చాలి అంటే 5/18 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, రైట్? అండ్ మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ ని కిలోమీటర్ పర్ అవర్ లైక్ మార్చాలి అంటే దీని రెసిప్రోకల్ 18/5 చేత మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, రైట్? సో ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ కాన్సెప్ట్. కీప్ ఇట్ ఇన్ మైండ్. Yes, now example problems, observe carefully. Convert 180 kilometer per hour into meter per second, right? So they given kilometer per hour. Now convert into meter per second. So now we multiply 180 with 5/18. See, it is large, it is very small. So we multiply with 5/18, right? So 180 into 5/18, right? 18 ones are 18 tens are. That is equal to 10 into 5. That is equal to 50 meter per second, right? When given speed is kilometer per hour, if we want to convert into meter per second, then we multiply with 5/18, right? So this is very very important. So and one more. So it is 1A, next to B. Convert 180. Sorry. Yes, 40 meter per second into కిలోమీటర్ పర్ అవర్. సో మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ నుంచి కిలోమీటర్ పర్ అవర్ లైక్ మార్చాలి అంటే దేంతో డివైడ్ చేయాలి, మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి? ఇట్స్ రెసిప్రోకల్ 18/5 తో చేయాలి, రైట్? సో 40 into we convert into kilometer per hour, so 18/5, right? So observe carefully, కిలోమీటర్ పర్ అవర్ ని మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ లైక్ మార్చాలి అంటే 5/18 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. అదే మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ ని కిలోమీటర్ పర్ అవర్ లైక్ మార్చాలి అంటే 18/5 ఇట్స్ రెసిప్రోకల్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, రైట్? సో 5 ones are 5 8s are 40, 18 8s are 144 kilometer per hour, right? So it is B. So very very important problems, keep it in mind, right? Next go for second problem. A train travels 82.6 kilometer per hour, right? Means in 1 hour it will travel 82.6 kilometers. 1 hour, in 1 hour the train travel how much distance? 82.6 kilometers, right? In how many meters will it travel in 15 minutes? 15 minutes lo adi enta travel chestundi. 15 minutes, more or less. So already we learned about the chain rule, so it is very very important. 1 hour ki 82.6 పోతే మరి 15 minutes ఎంత పోతాం? more or less less. Why? Because 15 minutes is very small than 1 hour, right? So we got a less distance, right? We travel less distance. Less means less by more. So 15 minutes is less than 1 hour, right? 15 minutes by 1 hour into 82.6, right? So 15 minutes by, so convert into same units. It is in minutes, it is in hours. Convert into minutes. 1 hour, how many minutes? 60 minutes, right? 60 minutes into 82.6, right? 15 ones are 15 fours are. Again 4 ones, 4 twos are 8, 4 six are 24, and 2 is there, 0.5. So in another way, 15 ones are 15 fours are 82.6 can be written as 826 by 10, right? So 15 minutes by 1 hour 60 minutes into 82.6 can be written as 826 by 10. Here after decimal one digit is there, so we keep 10. It is better, right? 15 ones are 15 fours are. So 1 by 4 into 82, 826. Now cancel it, right? 4 ones, 4 twos are 8, means 4 20s are 80, 2 is there, 4 6 are 24.5, right? Already here 1.0 is there. It can be written as 20.65. 20.65. See, in 1 hour 82.6 kilometers. In 15 minutes, how much distance travel? 20.65 kilometers, right? Right, go for next problem. Observe carefully. A man completes 30 kilometers of journey at a speed 6 kilometer per hour. Right, that is first case. In first case, the speed of man is 6 kilometer per hour. Right, and he completes the same distance, means same 30. Distance is same distance of journey at 5 kilometer per hour. It is a second speed. See, in first case he travel at a speed 6 kilometer per hour, and in second case he travel 5 kilometer per hour speed, right? Find his average speed for the whole journey, right? So final ga atadu enta average speed tho aa journey ni complete chesadu. So here we have to find average speed. We know very well average speed formula. If the distance is the same, the average speed formula 2xy by x plus y. So already explained in the first problem in the starting, right? So we know very well average speed formula. Average speed is equal to total journey by formula 2xy by x plus y. Here x is first speed, so that is 6. Here x is 6 and y is 5. Right? Now substitute here. 2 into 2xy means 2 into x into y. 2xy, 2 into x is 6 into y 5 by x plus y, 6 plus 5, that is equal to 2 6 are 12, 12 5 are 60 by 6 plus 5 11. So write into mixed fraction. 11 5s are 55, 5 is there. So it can be written as 5 by 11 kilometer per hour. So that is average speed. Yes. In any question, find average speed means we use this formula 2xy by x plus y. X is first speed, the same distance, and y is second speed. Right? Here distance is the same. Distance does not change. Right? Yes, go for next problem. So such type of problems are very interesting and important problems. See, a person starting from his house covers a distance at 15 kilometer per hour. See, starting from his house, తన ఇంటి నుండి ఒక ప్లేస్ 15 kilometers తో స్పీడ్ తో వెళ్ళాడు. 15 kilometer per hour స్పీడ్ తో వెళ్ళాడు, right? And returns, so from ending point to starting point, and returns to starting place at 10 kilometer per hour, right? The first speed 15 kilometer per hour and return 10 kilometer per hour. Find his average speed during whole journey, right? Here the distance is same from house to a certain place D and a certain place to his house D. Here the distance is same but the speed is different, right? Here the first speed say x is equal to 15 kilometer per hour, right? That is our first speed. And the second speed y is equal to 10 kilometer per hour, right? Now average speed, AVG means average speed. Average speed is equal to formula 2xy by x plus y, right? That is equal to x first speed 15 into y 10 by x plus y 15 plus 10. That is equal to 2 into 15 30, 30 into 10 300 by 15 plus 10 25, right? Now cancel that. 25 ones are 25 here 5 is there 50, 25 twos are. So answer is 12 kilometer per hour. That is average speed. Yes. So the formula average speed is 2xy by x plus y. In this case, the distance is same, remains the same, right?